My name is Vikram Bhanbri and I run the program management team for Windows Azure. And my role basically includes taking the feedback from the customers that planning team brings in, convert those into features and then ship them back out to the customers and get the wonderful reaction that we get every time. This project started out as an incubation where we heard about the problems that internal teams are facing in terms of being able to manage their resources, being able to cut down the cost of the hardware and the operations. And based on that feedback, we pushed this out, started this, did the CTP last year in 2008. And based on the feedback that we've heard so far, it's been a wonderful journey, wonderful experience. And we've taken the whole last of, since the CTP last year, we've taken that feedback and what we've done is converted those back into the commercial release features that we're pushing out. In terms of the major pieces of the feedback that we've heard is make it easy. Make it easy for me to actually build my application, push it to the cloud. Make it easy for me to actually make changes. Don't let me worry about the hardware portion of it, the networking portion of it, the data center or the operation portion of it. I want to just be able to focus on building my application and you take care of the rest. And that's what our focus has been. In the last year, what we've done is we've gotten the abstractions to the point where you as a developer just need to focus on your application, whereas we focus on how do we actually get your code into the cloud? How do you build your application easily using the tools that you are familiar with, using the Visual Studio, using providing you with a simulation environment in your desktop so you are comfortable before you push your application to the cloud that it's just going to work. Windows Azure platform is a platform for the developers, right? It's a highly scalable, available, and durable service that we're providing for the developers so that they can just focus on their application. They don't have to worry about the operations, they don't have to worry about the data center, they don't have to worry about the networking pieces, and they just focus on building these cool applications. And we take care of the infrastructure, and we do it in a way that it's a platform-wide functionality, right? You don't have to worry about upgrading your application. You don't have to worry about changing configurations of your application. You just make the change and it just works, right? You don't have to worry about the scalability in the cloud. If you have traffic spikes, you just say, okay, today I'm gonna need 20 instances, change the number in your configuration file and boom, you're now running on 20 instances in the cloud. And that's the kind of functionality we've been aspiring, and that's the kind of functionality we've pushed in the cloud for the developers. The three words that I think about the Windows Azure platform are available, reliable, and scalable.